My garage door is fine and open. It shakes and jerks when it closes. Then I found the pulley here. It's off center. Looks like something wrong with the bearing. So I'm going to replace that. I have replaced the pulley on both sides. The bearing cannot move around. It's pretty tight. For the old one, see, it's very loose. I didn't replace this pulley. This seems fine. These are the tools I used. I end up using this breaker bar because the nut was too tight. And I used this deep socket because the regular one was too short to reach the nut.